The infotainment in your ID buzz is easy to use. Everything is directly accessible from the main menu. If you need to pair a smartphone, go to Settings, select Mobile Devices and choose the device you want to pair. You can pair multiple mobile phones. To switch, simply toggle between them. If you want to connect your mobile via App Connect, your ID buzz must be stationary as you do it. Once connected, you can use the shop icon to download additional apps such as Spotify. But remember, you must have a We Connect account activated and linked with your ID buzz to do this. To set or change the ambient lighting, select the background icon from the main menu. From here, you can choose from colours in the light themes. Select Mood. Personalise your ambient lighting using the individual setting. You'll notice this also changes the theme colour of your infotainment screen. The main menu also provides options to access your phone, radio, navigation, vehicle settings, sound settings, exterior light settings, and charging information. And below the screen are shortcut buttons to your climate control, driving modes, and those all-important driver assistance systems. And there's lots more to discover in your ID Buzz infotainment system. Intuitive and easy to use, it's simple to find whatever you're looking for.